When it comes to installing your wood stove, the most important part is the Class A chimney. The part that actually is outside the space that the stove is in, so either above the ceiling or outside the wall. In front of me is a ceiling support box. This is the transition. If you look inside, it has a receiver for Class A chimney. In this case, this is for DuraPlus. The ceiling support box actually goes up and is mounted in your ceiling. Does come with a trim collar to help clean up the cut that you've made. If you buy a ceiling support box in our kit, the kit comes with this part, which actually slips right up on top and converts this ceiling support box into an attic insulation shield, which stops debris and stuff from falling into the chimney area. The ceiling support box, if you do not purchase it in a kit, comes in 3 sizes: 11 inch, 24 inch, and 36 inch.